Well, you can make a generator from an old toy motor. For this you require some wood, 2 old CDs, a toy motor, a LED and lots of other odds and bits. First make a wooden stand with an arm, drill a hole and fix a screw over there. Then take 2 old CDs and sandwich some foam rubber to make a large pulley. Also attach a handle to this large pulley. Now take a sewing machine bobbin and place it in the screw like a fat washer, and then place the large pulley and lock it with a small nut. Rotate the pulley to ensure that it rotates smoothly. Then take a 9-volt toy or a tape recorder motor with a small pulley on the axle and attach it to the base of the wood with 2 screws. You can see the white pulley on the toy motor. Finally, take a rubber band and place it between the large pulley and the small pulley. On rotating the big pulley, the small pulley will spin much faster. Now, attach the 2 terminals of the motor to a LED. Once you rotate the large pulley, the LED will light up because the motor is acting like a generator. You can put this LED in a bent straw and make a street light. Once you rotate the big pulley, the LED lights up, the street light glows. In this case, an ordinary toy motor can be converted into a generator.